They can't leave right now. But these motherfuckers, they show booking up. Unless they just go around this ship like the other thing did. Ain't no way. This is why I didn't want to get off the damn ship and do that bullshit.
Look.
And you can hear that this boat is banging up against the ship like a motherfucker. Yeah, they can't take these people because it's too rough. The winds is too rough. We probably gonna be late getting back.
Pilot gone?
Yeah, he gone.
No, he's just circling. He's circling. Yeah, he look like he's circling, babe.